If you are installing a new OS like Linux in a laptop or a computer, you may run into this error. And many people don't know how to resolve it. Simply, it can be fixed by changing the BIOS from legacy to UEFI, which I'm going to show you how in this tutorial. For this case, I'll be doing it on a HP laptop. For other laptop brands, this may differ in the function keys that you might use. I'll attach them in the video description below. Like and comment on this video if it helps. My laptop is switched off. You need to power on your laptop and immediately begin pressing the F10 key repeatedly. So I have my flash drive here, which has the installation media or the OS that I want to install in this laptop. Okay, I'm going to power on the laptop and then immediately start pressing the F10 key repeatedly. Now it has brought me to this page. I need to navigate from main to the advanced. Okay, you also should do the same. So I'll navigate through these keys. So I'll go to the right, security. Now while you are in your advanced options, you need to scroll down through the same keys, the down and the up keys. You need to go to the highlighted option called boot options and then click the enter key. It will bring you to this page where it brings you those many options. You need to scroll down to where you will see the first thing that you need to do is ensure that this is unchecked. If this is checked, you need to uncheck it. Okay, now the second thing that you need to do, which actually is the main point of this video, is switching from UEFI hybrid or legacy to now UEFI. Okay, for this case you need to double click on the touchpad, double click on that option and then I'll accept. Okay, and then press the escape key. Press the escape key again and then it will ask you if you need to save the changes. Scroll through the up and down button and click yes and then hit the enter key. Okay, and at this point, after saving the changes, the computer restarts. During the restart process, press the F9 key repeatedly. The laptop will restart. You need to press the F9 function, this F9, this one. Okay, and then it will bring you to such a page. I'll show you just a minute. Now here are my options, boot options. You need to select the installation media that you are installing your OS from. I'm using a flash drive, but it is not highlighted here. So you simply select the first option and hit the enter key. It will reboot automatically without touching anything. And then it will beep. Now, here's the OS that is in the flash drive here. Yours might be different. You might be installing another OS, maybe Fedora OS, maybe Parrot OS, whatever. Before you clicked on this video, you are watching another tutorial that was showing you how to install that OS that you are installing from. It will bring you another interface if you are installing another OS, and I think from here it is pretty much straightforward. Go back to the tutorial that you are doing, okay? And at this point, you are free to return to the tutorial that you are watching before the error occurred. Continue to your work, and be productive.